हेलो प्यारे बच्चों, नाउ एक्सरसाइज 8.2 ट्रिगोनोमेट्री का दैट इज वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूशन। और इन दिस एक्सरसाइज you have to remember the value of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. This is nothing but the value substitute करना है। sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90, उसी तरह से cos का 0 से 90, फिर 10 का 0 से 90। अगर sin cos 10 अगर इफ यू रिमेंबर तो उसके अपोजिट जो है दैट इज नथिंग बट द cosec, sec and cot. Easily you can find out. So this is nothing but just the value substitution. So just sin 60 cos 60 cos 30 sin 30 cos 60. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, cos 60 cos 30 root 3 by 2, 30 sin 30 1 by 2, and this is 1 by 2. So just solve. This is 1. Similarly you can solve question number 2. 2 10 square for 10 45 1 cos square 30 degree, that is root 3 by 2 whole square, and sin square 30 degree root 3 by 2 ka whole square. Just substitute and get the answer. So in this first question all are nothing but the value substitution. So first, second, third, whatever the question is there, just this is the value substitution. Similarly, fourth question number, sin theta equal to sin 30 equal to 1 by 2, sin 10 45 1, cosec 60 2 by root 3, sec 30 2 by root 3, this is 1 by 2 and this is 1. So once this is the value, and just we cut this value and we will solve the value. This is 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 4 plus 3 root 3, 4 plus 3 root 3, and ऊपर में हमारा हो जाएगा 3 root 3 minus 4. अब जब हम इसको रेशनलाइज करेंगे, कभी भी रूट वैल्यू नीचे नहीं रहना चाहिए, इसके लिए इसको रेशनलाइज करते हैं 4 minus 3 root 3 and just we solved. ऊपर में हमारा ये वैल्यू आया, नीचे में हमारा 4 square minus 3 root 3 का होल स्क्वायर. सो इसको सॉल्व करने के बाद ये हमारा आंसर आएगा. So always remember when the rationalization, when the root value is coming in the denominator, always you have to do the rationalization and solve. Now same way question number 5 also you can do, just you have to substitute and get the result. Choose the correct option and justify your answer. This is the value, all are nothing but the value substitution. So 2 10 30 degree, 1 plus 10 square 30 degree, 10 30 degree is 1 by root 3, just this is equal to root 3 by 2 after calculation, this is sin 60. Similarly 1 minus 10 square 1 plus 10 square, this is 0. Sin 2a equal to given 2 sin a, so a is equal to 0, then 0 is equal to 0, this is the true condition. And similarly fourth question you can get it. 2 10 30 degree, just substitute the value and get the answer. So this is just the value substitution. Now question number third is very very important. Now in this question number third, 10a plus b equal to root 3. So अगर यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड में है ये हमारा ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक एंगल है, बट इन द राइट हैंड साइड रूट 3, so you have to convert this root 3 in the tan format, so that we can write tan 60. So a plus b equal to 60 degree, this is the first equation. Similarly 10a minus b equal to 1 by root 3, so this is a minus b is equal to tan 30 degree, that is a minus b equal to 30 degree. So a plus b equal to 60, so this is the linear equation, a plus b equal to 60 and a minus b equal to 30. Just we have to solve, this will cut, so 2a equal to 90, so a equal to 45, this is 45 degree. So a is 45, so b is 15 degree. So in this way we can solve. A is equal to 45, b equal to 15. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. Sin a plus b, this is false. So this is not true. This you can't multiply directly and write sin a plus b. So for that we have to prove. Let a equal to 60 degree, b equal to 30 degree. So when sine a plus b is nothing but the 1, but sine a plus sine b is, this is the value. So left hand and right hand are not equal. So this is wrong. The value of sine theta increases as theta increases. Yes, this is true. Third, the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. No, this is false. Third is false. This is decreasing. 1 से लेकर के 0 हो जा रहा है. This is decreasing. Fourth number, sin theta equal to cos theta for all value of theta. No, this is wrong. Fourth, false, because theta equal to only for the 45 degree. This is equal. Now question number 5. Cot A is not defined for A equal to 0 degree. Yes, this is true, because 10 A equal to 0, that is 1 by 0 is infinity. So I hope this is crystal clear for all of you. Just you have to remember the value of 0 to 90 degree of all trigonometric ratio. Thank you.